Welcome to Reality Check. I'm Aruba, and today we are diving into the inspiring story of Rolls-Royce, the pinnacle of luxury and engineering. Rolls-Royce creates the most luxurious cars in the world. It's a dream brand for the wealthiest people on the planet. But what's surprising is that this extraordinary company was founded by a man who grew up in extreme poverty. Let's begin the story in 1863. Henry Ross was born in a small English village in 1863. When Ross was only 4 years old, his father's business collapsed, leaving the family destitute. At the age of 9, tragedy struck again when his father passed away, forcing his mother to work as a maid. To support the family, young Henry started delivering newspapers. Despite his bleak future, a turning point came when he was 14 years old. Recognizing his potential, one of his aunts secured him an apprenticeship at the Great Northern Railway Company. During the next 3 years, Ross worked tirelessly, learning various skills like carpentry, mathematics, and electronics. By 17, he had become a capable mechanic, and by 21, he was working as an engineer at Maxim Western. However, financial struggles plagued the company, and Royce decided to take a leap of faith. In 1894, Ross used his £20 savings to start his own electrical engineering company, F.H. Royce & Company, in Manchester. Alongside his partner Ernest Claremont, Royce began with small jobs like repairing sewing machines and electrical fittings. Recognizing a growing demand, Royce started manufacturing items like arc lamps, bulb holders, and doorbells, which propelled the company to success. By the 1900s, Royce Company was generating £20,000 annually. He was thriving professionally and personally. In 1901, foreign competition from Germany and the US disrupted the British electronics market, devastating Royce's business. To cope with declining health, Ross was advised to spend time outdoors and was encouraged to buy a car. He purchased a decaval car but was dissatisfied with its quality. Being a perfectionist, he began modifying it and eventually designed an entirely new, superior car. In 1904, Ross developed a 10-horsepower, two-cylinder car, renowned for its quietness, durability, and reliability. His creation caught the attention of Charles Rolls, a passionate motorist and luxury car dealer, during an exhibition. Rolls was impressed and called Royce the greatest engineer in the world. This partnership birthed the iconic Rolls-Royce brand in 1906. To establish their reputation, Rolls-Royce participated in prestigious car races. Their victories, coupled with engineering marvels like the Silver Ghost in 1906, cemented Rolls-Royce as the epitome of luxury. The Silver Ghost, known for its silence and smoothness, was marketed through endurance tests like covering 24,000 kilometers non-stop. In 1910, Charles Rolls tragically died in a plane crash, becoming Britain's first aviation fatality. The loss deeply impacted the company. Ross himself battled health issues, including bowel cancer, but continued innovating, ensuring Rolls-Royce's legacy. To maintain its sophisticated image, Rolls-Royce introduced the Spirit of Ecstasy mascot in 1911, symbolizing grace, freedom, and speed. By 1913, the company's profits surpassed £90,000, but World War I loomed. The war disrupted luxury car sales, but Rolls-Royce adapted by modifying their cars into armored vehicles and ambulances. The Silver Ghost became essential in military operations, proving its reliability in harsh environments. Rolls-Royce also entered the aero engine market, launching the Eagle engine in 1915, which was lighter, more reliable, and fuel-efficient. After the war, Rolls-Royce introduced smaller cars like the 20 HP, but competition intensified. In 1925, the company regained its dominance with the launch of the Phantom, followed by the acquisition of Bentley in 1931, adding another dimension to its portfolio. Henry Royce passed away in 1933 at the age of 70, leaving behind an extraordinary legacy. His dedication to perfection shaped Rolls-Royce into an enduring symbol of luxury and engineering brilliance. Despite financial troubles in the 1960s, Rolls-Royce reinvented itself, separating its aviation and automobile businesses. Today, Rolls-Royce, owned by BMW, remains the ultimate luxury car brand. Each car, hand-built with over 6 months of craftsmanship, represents unparalleled engineering. Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece, a symbol of luxury, heritage, and innovation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories.